ayam labrador, baru baru. Eh, Mexico kisay, di ba nga ako? Kisay?
Okay, saan katabi ang satuyang out of town? Doon tayo dadako sa bayan ng Panganiban. By next week, sa Alonin Sabado, ang satuya tabing IMBT3 for the out of town, gigibuon yan sa Bato Municipal Covered Court. So by Sunday, uya po kita sa Birak Sports Complex. So this is another match. Catanduanes, this is another match for the IMBT3. For the second match, basta kay PBM Alba, siguradong gana ka. And our officiating referee, Umpire 1, Ariel Magtangob. Umpire 2, Mr. Reynold Talnate. Ay, Mr. Ralph Nokiao. And the crew chief, Mr. Reynold Tarnate. Ang ating bookkeeper, Mama Duchess de Leon, and ang ating timer, si Sir Kirby Aguilar. You're also Papa Bong, magandang hapon. This is another match between the Bayan ng Panganiban versus ang Bayan ng Bagamanot. First five, Andrea, Cabrera, Okray, Yanan, and Fulgar. Sa Bayan ng Panganiban, Bings, Tura, Valatero, Osorio, and Tarukin. Ito po yung ating second game ngayong hapon. At ang ating third game, ang Bayan ng San Andres versus ang Bayan ng Pandan. And the last game, the hometown Birak versus ang Bayan ng Bato. Number 19, Okray. Kuha ni Osorio. Tura. To assist again, Tarukin. First, good for two sa Bayan ng Panganiban. This is being brought to you by LGU Panganiban. Headed by the Honorable Mayor Ital Robles, Vice Mayor Arvin Atencia, and the Sangguniang Bayan members of Panganiban and the people of Panganiban. Another basket, good for two. Ang Bayan ng Bagamanok, the Honorable Mayor Vincent Villaluna, and the Sangguniang Bayan members of Bagamanok and the people of Bagamanok. Magandang hapon. Ito yung ating napapanood ngayon. 10 to shoot. Valatero, throw, 3! Aba, unang pagkakataan, unang pukol ni Tarukin at ni Valatero. Biglang nagdagbigay ng 5 puntos sa Bayan ng Panganiban. Cabrera. 10 to shoot. Yanan. Second attempt. Second shot again. Good for two by number 24. Number 14, Tarukin. 14 seconds to shoot. Tarukin to fake. There is no good again. Nasa unahan. Throw the ball. Okray. Nababantay niya ni Tarukin. Yanan. Nasa ilalim. Intercept against number 28, Baines. Drives to assist again. With 8 minutes and 21 sa ating first quarter. 18 seconds to shoot. Yanan nagmamadali. Yanan chances again, full guard. In a perimeter, no good. Baines ang may hawak ng bola. Tura. One-on-one again by Andrea. Tura, throw. There's no good again, a rebound again by Cabrera, number 15. Andrea to Cabrera. In a perimeter. It's another good for two. Sinilihan lang si Yanan. 6 na puntos ang inibigay. James Faborn. 10 to shoot. Basket good by Taroken. Napakaganda ng ating air. Napaka-fink ngayong hapon. Yan ang buhok ng Pilipinas. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Is it short again? Yan ang pinakabagong buhok ng Pilipinas para matakot ang Iran at Iraq. Nasa kay Taruki ng ating tropeo. No good. Fulgar, a rebound. Fulgar. Yanan to Fulgar to fake. It's a rebound again. Tura. Baines may hawak ng bola. Baines drives. May tawag ang ating referee. A foul committed by number 42, 24. It's a pushing foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Yan ang first personal foul. Taruken drives. Yes, sir! It's another basket for Taruken. 3 puntos ang kalamangan ng bayan ng Panganiban. Magandang hapon sa iyo, the Honorable Mayor Ital Robles. 10 to shoot. Andrea. A rebound again by Tura sa unahan. Baines drives. Yes, sir! With a running score, 11-6. Intercepted again by Valatero. Tura again to Baines sa unahan. Substitution, Andrea. Parang humihina na tayo ngayon, Andrea. Nararamdaman mo sigurong tumatanda ka na rin Ate to Fulgar. Cabrera. Talaga namang napakasibag dito ng ating highlights ng ating buhok only in the Philippines. Turay sa short. Baines Osorio. Wala pa rin Cabrera. May hawak ng bola. Cabrera, nabitawan at mapupunta pa rin ang bola sa bahay ng Bagamanok. Timeout, Bagamanok with 5 minutes and 43 sa ating first quarter with a running score 6-11 in favor of Panganiban. Okay, bukas, ang ating schedule sa Panganiban Covered Court. Ang ating first game at 9 o'clock in the morning. San Miguel versus Pandan. Second game, Bagamanok versus Baras. Third game, San Andres versus Birac. And the last game, Panganiban versus Birac. I'm sorry, San Andres versus Biga. Nine o'clock ang ating simula sa bayan ng Panganiban at susundan yan ng Bagamanok versus Baras at 11 o'clock. At 1 o'clock p.m., Viga versus San Andres at 2:30 p.m., Panganiban versus Birac. Full guard to ate. Unang kumpol. Namitis ang unang pagkakataon. Pins. 1-1 again, O'Cry. Tarukin. Easy on two. Yes, sir! Another basket. Good for two by Tarukin. Ito naman si Tarukin kung makatakbo to. Takbong mayaman. Oh, alam na natin yan. Nasa buhok yan. Time to shoot. Ate. Oh, it's first. Good for two. Sa unang pagkakataon, napapalakpak pa rin ang mga kaibigan doon sa taas. Time to shoot. Baines. 1-on-1 again, O'Cry. Sa tres, pumalo. Isa short. 5 pa rin ang abante ng Bayan ng Panganiban. With 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Ate. Time to shoot. O'Cry. Full guard. Masyadong madulas ang ating kamay. Balatero to Tarukin. 14 seconds to shoot. Baines. Time to shoot. Tarukin. Mr. Perimeter. No good. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Number 24 na nakawan ng bola. Talaga namang si Baines. Napakabilis. Baines. Kuha niya. Tera niya. 3. With a running score, 16 against 8. 8 puntos ang kalamangan ng Panganiban. Throw the ball. Babawi sa tres. Rebound again by Tarukin. Tura. To Balatero. 14 seconds to shoot. Time to shoot. Bahala na! Oh no! What happened to you, Mr. Balatero? Ate attacks and two! No good! Nakawa ng bola! Ate! Babakbak sa lalim! May nakuhang foul. A foul committed by Osorio, number 18. Substitution. Yan and out.
Talagang may panik ang Santos. Ito na dyan. Kita naman talaga.
With 2 minutes and 56, Padilla. Nasa ilalim. Drives. Good for two. Unang pagkakataon. Pasok. By Jezreel. Good for two. 10 puntos ang kalamangan. Bal Madrid. Baines. Rebound again. Baines may hawak ng bola. Aatake sa ilalim. Nabitawan. Bal Madrid. Intercepted. Bal Madrid dribbling the ball. Bal Madrid sa ilalim. Nice defense. Substitution. Substitution, O'Cry. Pahinga ka muna, O'Cry. No more cry. Substitution, Baines. Bal Madrid. Easy on two. It's a rebound again by Jezreel. With 2 minutes and 13. Zonguad. Traveling the ball. 1-1 again, Andrea. 10 to shoot. Cabrera drives. Basket is good. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound again by Cabrera. Bal Madrid. Tatlo kontra isa. Drives. Assist again. Aba! Sumabay pa. It's another basket. Good for two. Panganiban. With a running score, Panganiban 18 and Bagamanok 12. This time at is win brought to you by PBM Alba. Siguradong Kanaka. Ang shoutout naman dito. Ang sabi dito ni Mr. Marizane Capestrano. Bomba, Bagamanok. Akala ko sa Bagamanok may bomba.
Hello.
With 1 minute and 15. Gisrael to Padilla. This is another basket. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Mr. Ryan Ann, coming from Mr. J.M. Fernandez. Magandang hapon din sa iyo. Unang basket, unang good for two by Fulgar. 50 seconds. A foul committed by number 23, Andrea. It's a holding foul. Second team foul. First personal foul. 45 segundos ang natitira. Full ball. Nagahanap na niya mga kasama. Ate! 2 assists again. Sasalaksak. Ate! Bubumba sa ilalim. It's basket good for two. Committed by number 14. Substitution. First personal foul, second team foul. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Mr. Mark Angelo Padilla. Coming from Mr. Ronel Sorban. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Ronel, sa iyong panunood. At sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng Facebook Live on PBM Alba. Hindi yun nakompleto ng 3-point shot ni ate. Tarukin drives! Oh! Nice naman! Ganda ng pagkakabumbaniter natin sa ilalim ni Tarukin. Bagamat agad bumawi ito si Fulgar. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the first quarter with a running score. Bagamanok 18 at ang Bayan ng Panganiban 24.
This game is brought to you by Med Express Pharma and Medical Supplies Trading, Hygeia Drug Mart, Crayon Box School and Office Supplies Trading, Sure Pure Drinking Water, Zeus Trading and Construction, Lela Massage and Spa, Sure Clean Laundry Hub, Verac Eastern Hardware, Cafe Norte. Basta PBM Alba, siguradong gana ka!
Back to the ball game for the second quarter. Basta kay Papa Bong, siguradong kita ka. Nasa ilalim, enters step na again, nasa unahan, full guard. Atake, drives, nabitawan ng bola. It's basket 2 by Cabrera. Apat na lang ang abante ng panganiban na second quarter. Soliege. Cabrera. Hindi nakakayuko, ang hirap magyuko sa ilalim mo, Cry. This is another violation. It's a traveling. Substitution, Padilla out. Basanggale. Zoliege. Try for 3. Baines. 10 to shoot. To assist again sa ilalim. Bomba na! Yes, sir! Another basket effort by number 23, Jezreel. Baya Pasuangos. Baines. Alcantara, number 56. 10 to shoot. It's nasa palpal. May libre pang upuan. This is being brought to you by Tapal Bulgasil. Kapag may tulong yung bahay, lagi mong tatandaan. Huwag kalimutan maglagay ng Tapal Bulgasil. 5 to shoot. Soliege. It's no good. Rebound again by Fulgar. Throw the ball, Silvan. It's another losses again by Cabrera. At syempre, magandang babae sa katabi kong kumakain ng burger. Mark's Burger. Yanan! Another basket, good for 2. Basket is good, plus a bonus free throw. Cabrera out, substitution Cabrera. Another substitution.
Nahuli ka mo ka na. Nahuli ka mo ka. Picturean ito na nagamang ka.
With 8 minutes and 14 sa ating second quarter. Perfect, good for 3. Isang puntos na lang ang kalamangan. Nagmamadali si Bings. To assist again, 2. Oh! Bings ilalim. Wala pa rin. Napakasayang yun, Mr. Balatero. At magandang hapon sa iyo, Ma'am Sheila May Tesorero. Ang galing-galing daw ni Kuya Dave. Talaga naman. 14 to shoot. A foul number 24. Second personal foul. Magandang hapon sa iyo. Substitution Pulgar out. Magandang hapon kay Mr. Mark Angelo Vitalicio, ang pogi ng poblasyon niya galing from Puldo. Aba, napakaraming Puldo sa Kinaban niya. Namin di sa unang pagkakataon niya by Baines. Good for one niya. Magandang gwapong lalaki kaibigan niya, John Winston Janela. Have a seat, sir. You want coffee, ice cream, 3 soft drinks, water? Sabihin mo lang, dadalang kita dyan. Nakawa ng bola! Alcantara, dribbling the ball. Naghahanap na kanyang mabibigyan. Buntik lang man, nakawa na games, Baines. Baines nagbamadali. Ratsa na sila alim. May sabit na naman kalabit na nakita ang ating veteranong referee. A foul again committed by number 24. This is another pushing foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. With 7 minutes and 19 seconds. At magandang hapon sa iyo, Asyong Vitalicio. Pa-shut out naman. O, ayan na, Asyong. Asyong Salonga. Good for one again, Baines. Shout out kay Mr. Rodney Fulgar from Los Angeles. Coming from AJ Alamer. A cry! To cry! Abante para sa ilalim! Another foul by number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. Good for one by Cabrera, number 15, in a 15-foot line. Substitution. 27 against 29. Baines. One again of cry. Muntik na mabitawan ang bola. Alcantara. Balatero. Andrea. Atake sila rin. Masyadong malakas. Ang bola ay mapupunta sa Panganiban. With a running score, 27 against 29. 2 puntos pa rin ang kalamangan ng Panganiban. Balatero. This is another violation. It's a traveling. Akala ko yung referee batang pumasok. Bagamat lagi mong tatandaan, referee, kahit gaano man kamahal ng gasolina, ang pagmamahal ni Papa Bong sa'yo, hindi yan mapipintasan. Magbabago. 3! This is been brought to you by LGU Bagamanok, headed by the Honorable Mayor Vincent Villaluna and the Sangguniang Bayan members and the people of Bagamanok. James Payborn. At 2-point lead. Deadlock at 29. Alcantara out. Substitution Alcantara. With 6 minutes and 18 seconds ating second quarter. Deadlock at 29. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Director Gab. Throw the ball. Baines is another shot. Kuha yan ni O'Cry. Okray nagmamadali. Naghahanap na kanyang mabibigyan. To Andrea. Vitalicio. 10 to shoot. Andrea. There is a foul by number 14. Kuha yan ni referee Nokiao. Kiao. Second personal foul. Treating foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Magandang tilag.
Tingnan naman nakawan si Cry. Nabitawan. Tarukin. Kuhayan ni Andrea. Vitalicio sa salaksok. A Cry. No good. Uy. Next time, magpapala mo na bago pumasok ka. Another substitution. First personal foul, treating foul. Ayan, magandang hapon. Asyong Vitalicio. Maria Antoinette Fereza. Yanan. Tarukin! Yes, sir! Ano talagang pinapangalas ngayon ni Tarukin? Akray! Raymond again, number 34, Osorio! Cabrera, yes, sir! Beans! Deadlock at 31. Nabitawan na bola. Volcar. Santos. Yes, sir. Change playboard. Ayan. Shout out daw kay Jeric Santos. Bumba na pagbati mula kay Shalomay Tesorero. 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution Okray out. Okray. Pahinga ka muna Okray. No more crying by Papa Bong. Timeout. Panganiban. For remaining time, 4 minutes to play sa ating second quarter.
This game is brought to you by Cafe Norte, The Hungry Bar, and Swift Flow Freight Express Co. Basta kay PBM Alba, siguradong gana ka.
At syempre magandang hapon kay Dr. Tulod sa ating Neuromedical Clinic. Magandang hapon sa inyong panunood. At kay kaibigang Laloma. Santos against Andrea. Another foul by number 28. Hacking foul. First personal foul. Warning. 14 foul. Kuhayan ni Osorio. Tarukin. Trying to assist again. Yes, sir. Another deadlock at 33. Santos. Oh no, nasa ilalim si Sungguad. Tarukin, aabante. Talaga namang a foul committed by number 6. It's a blocking foul. Taruken. 3 minutes 20 seconds. Baines. To assist again. Oh. A foul committed by number 15 Cabrera. Pushing foul. Penalty. First personal foul. Everyone against number 18. Isang puntos na kalabagan ng bayan ng Pangalinan. Perfect reference. Magandang hapon sa mga taga Fire! Sana enjoy kayo sa panunood ngayong hapon. Fulgar! Santos! Time to shoot! Cabrera! Naiwan sa lalim! Batis is good! Baines! Mabilisan yan! Baines pa rin na may hawak ng bola. Sa 3, pumalo! 3! 2 minutes 45. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Bem Garcia, and shout out kay Dave Yanan, watching from El Nido, Palawan. At syempre, magandang hapon to Mr. Christian J. Aquino, mula kay Panaganay na bata, from J. Castillo, Toralba. Tarukin na sa palpal. Time to shoot. Tarukin. Yes, sir. Tatlong puntos sa kalabangan ng Pangalinan. Santos. Kuha ni Baines ang bola. Padilla. Osorio. To assist again. Nabitawan ang bola. Fulgar. Nakakawan ang bola against Sungguad. Recover against ilalim. Yes, sir. 1 minute 40 seconds on the 40. Basket is good on the 30. Ayan pa siya kay Muling na nasa Japan coming from Bulutoy, Regalado. Ano ba yan? Baines! Is a ribbon against Sungguad! Oh! Yes, sir! It's an Andrea! Isang puntos na lang ang kalamangan ng Panganiban. A minute to play. Another foul by number 15, Cabrera. Second personal foul. Penalty referee. Penalty. Magandang hapon sa iyong panunood, Mr. Carl Allen Tahane. Pa-shout out kay Brian Tablate, ang player kang Higmoto from Lionel Avila. And shout out to Mr. Robert Santos. Robert from Rivera. 41 against 43. 55 segundos ang natitira. Ate, Fulgar to fake. This is another basket. Good for 43. 40 seconds. Napakalusog ni Sungguad. 35 segundos. Osorio. It's basket good for 2. Timeout. Bagamanok. 27 segundos ang natitira with a running score. 43 against 45. Magandang hapon to Miss Michelle Tulfo at Jeraine De Mesa from Renz Joseph Pante. At pa-shoutout kay Ivan Ninbugao Bagamanok from Asyong Vitalicio. Randolph Noel Baluyot mapa-shoutout manda from Bagamanok Gaiyak. Nakalamang ang panganiban from J. Castillo Toralba. Back to the ball game, 27 segundos.
Gabas ako.
27 seconds, starting second quarter. 25. 20. Cabrera. Attacks. Yes, sir. 15 segundos. Sungguad. Ayan na. Atake. Naiwan ang bola. 7 seconds. A cry. Fulgar. This is the end of the second quarter with a running score. Deadlock at 45.
IMBT is brought to you by Counselor Alexander Ali Pabundo, Sammy Laines, Catanduanes Emerald Hardware, Catanduanes Home Depot, Ocean View Subdivision, Assumpta Maternity and Medical Clinic, Clariana's Poultry and Feed Supply, Clariana's Pediatric Clinic, Pebeco Baby Product Shop. At IMBT Season 3, basta kay PBM Alba, siguradong gana ka! Once again, it's IMBT Season 3, and we would like to thank the following. Grand Prize Sponsor, Peter Bustecua. Prize Sponsor, Governor Patrick Azanza. Vice Governor, Opet Fernandez. Congressman Leo Rodriguez. Congressman Jose Bong Teves Jr. And we would like to thank the following sponsors. Michael John Kimbao. Eugene Teleran. Angelo and Lara Michelle De Leon. Chapet Villegas, PDGS Clothing, Now Gadgets and Accessory Shop, Joseph Crisan, Cafe Norte, Sweet Flow Freight Express Co, PBM Alvin Rodriguez, Jep Ereso, Courtside Bros, Yvette Analiza Bay, Wawi Tapel, AV Linus Trading and Construction, Med Express Pharma and Medical Supplies Trading, Hygieia Drug Mart, Crayon Box School and Office Supplies Trading, Sure Pure Drinking Water, Zeus Trading and Construction, La Love Massage and Spa, Sure Clean Laundry Up, Verac Eastern Hardware, live at Sports Complex, Rawis Verac, it's IMBT Season 3.
Okay, sa aga, dumagit tabi sa panganiban. By next week, March 28, Sabado, ang venue po kayo ni sa Bato Covered Court. Ang first game, Higmoto versus Baras. Second game, Payo versus San Miguel. Third game, Caramoran versus Birac. And the last game, Bato versus San Andres sa Covered Court ng Bato by next week, March 28. Ayan, magandang hapon sa iyo, Dan Paul Orchi and Dexter Beltran. Magandang hapon sa iyong panunood galing from Gianan. At shout out daw kay Christopher John Lopez sa Panganiban. Kay Sir Jess na referee ng AMBT3 coming from friends Joshua Solano. Magandang hapon. Beans. Balatero, 3 by number 17, Balatero. 3 puntos ang kalamangan ng Panganiban.
Shoutout kay Dinichempo, Bureau of Fire.
Magandang hapon sa ating Bureau of Fire sa kaibigan nating si Brian Tiempo na laging nasa tiempo. Lumalapit ng kaibigan natin, wala namang sunog dito. Okay, sa mga may nakapark tabi dumaan niya. Sa may kanto tabi, pakihari nyo tabi ang sindong sasakyan, tamari feel tabi ang Bureau of Fire. Liwat, sugabos tabi na nakadangog, lalo sa mga bungog, unabihan naklarado ang pigatayam ko. Pakihari nyo tabi ang sindong nakaparking duman sa pigakuhaan ng tubig ng fire, tamari feel na sinda now. Salamat. 45 against 48. Magandang hapon to Mr. Carl Turo. Player ng Panganiban and PJ Pangsagali. Watching from Ilonggo, Palawan, Daringan kay Ma'am Ben Garcia. Magandang hapon. At syempre kay Boston, relax lang from Andre Cabrera Villarreal. Nandiyan ba si Boston? Walang pumasok kahit isa. Balatero, rebound. Beans to Sungwad. 14 to shoot. Balatero to follow back in Osorio. Talagang katawan sa katawan. Andrea to assist again. Yes sir! It's another basket. Good putty by Ocroy. Isang puntos pa rin ang kalamangan ng bayan ng Panganiban. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Andrea to Andrea. Ito yung sinasabi nating brother connection na matatagpuan sa sa Bagamanok. Andrea to Andrea, damit mukha at ang kanilang kapugian niya. Second personal foul. Second team foul. At syempre magandang hapon sa ating monitor na IMBC3 kay Sir Tom Diablo at sa ating mga poging at magagandang staff ng IMBC3. Welcome na welcome ang lahat dito sa Grab Sports Complex. Rebound again by Sungguad. Isa pa rin ang kalamangan ng Panganiban. Sungguad. Tribes, yes sir! Talaga namang si Sungguad. Hanggang ngayon, napakatibay na batang to. Di baling sakay, basta perming gamit-gamit. Andrea Cabrera. Full guard. A rebound again by Tura. Baines. Nagmamadali na doon. Tarukin! No good! A cry! There is a foul. A foul committed by number 22 Turang is a hacking foul. Substitution. Substitution. 13 foul. Pa-shoutout kay Justin Manlangit na birthday ngunyan. Pagbati mo mula kay Ian Colidonia. Magandang hapon. Akroy! Cabrera! Yes sir! Siyempre magandang hapon sa iyo, Mr. Ian Celedonio. Happy anniversary. Boots from Justin Manlangit. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nasa unahan. No good. Tarukin ang rebound again. Sungguan. Sasalaksak sa ilalim. Bahala na. It's basket. Another good for two. Sa bottom line. Pinaka. Basket count. Plus a bonus free throw, a foul committed by number 17. It's a blocking foul. At magandang hapon sa iyo, Mr. Kian Solio. Pagpapayang mula kay Asher Kaiser Barha.
11. Oh, 11. Sabda.
Kaya alan niya.
Yeah, that's the other day.
Coming from Denver, siya. Shout out mapapokal ng Dalporte. Magandang hapon sa iyo. Shout out again from Pumpi Mosangin. Zongwane. Basket two! May Tarukin! At dami puntos ang pinapamalas dito ni Tarukin. Kaya kung minsan, pwede mo namang tarukin si Papa Bong. Full guy! Yes, sir! It's another basket. Good for two! 51 against 54. At syempre magandang hapon sa ating mga taga PDRRMO Catanduanes. 5 to shoot. Tarokin! No good. Ate Tokray. Another short. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Christian Lloyd Sibalio from Brad Ampolana lang. 10 to shoot. Baines. 5 to shoot. 3 by Padilla. 57 against 51. 6 na puntos ang kalamangan ng Panganiban. Full goal! Sungguan. Hindi kakayanin. 14 seconds to shoot. Sungguan. 10 to shoot. Baines. This is another violation. It's a traveling substitution. Parang mahina ng ating whistle. Parang ikaw kaliit yung whistle mo, Mr. Referee. With 4 minutes and 35, full guard to fake, attacks on two, lusot sa ilalim, it's another basket, good for two. 4 na puntos ang kalamangan ng Panganiban, with a running score of 53 against 57. Ten to shoot. Sungguan. 5 to shoot. Tarukin to fake. Oh no. Cabrera. Nagmamadali. Nabitawan yon. Sabay-sabay ang ating mga kasamahan. Baines. Aba, si Sungguan pang rebounder sa ilalim. Santos attacks on two. Yes, sir! Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Panganiban. 3:35. Abangan natin ang susunod. Bayan ng San Andres versus ang bayan ng Pandan. Tarukin Padilla. Throw the ball! There is no good again. Ate, full guard sa kanilang kalamangan. Talaga namang nakaka-rebound pang batang to. Ang batang maliit, ang batang malikot. Rebound again by number 8. Baines! Bang, bang! Kung makatingin ka Sungguan, parang may Utang pa ako sa'yo. With 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Fulgar! Naminte sa riban again, Tarukin. Nabitawan sa ilalim. Yanan! Yes, sir! 2 minutos, 28 segundos. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Yanan! Oh, talaga naman. Very nice foul. Timeout, Panganiban. With 2 minutes and 10 seconds sa ating second quarter. With a running score, 57 against 59. Warning for penalty, second personal foul. This timeout is being brought to you by PBM Alba. Siguradong gana ka. At syempre magandang hapon sa ating kaibigan sa iyong panunood, Laloma Spa. At pa-shoutout daw kay Kiang Suriyaw, Bumba Bagamanok. Next game, Pandan versus San Andres, and the last game, Bato versus the hometown, Virac. Back to the ball game, mga kaibigan.
Hoy, ano? Sir! Hoy! Gawa kita ng live sa aga. Huwag live kita sa aga sa tayo, day. Day da? Ayo.
Isa pa rin ang kalamangan ng Panganiban. 58 against 59. Padilla. Nagmamadali. Drives. Yes, sir! Kinaliwa pa. Grabe yun. Nabitawan ang bola. Santos. Nasupalpal. Sa ilalim. Talagang minamalas, inaala tayo ngayon, ate. Another foul again committed by number 8. Penalty referee penalty. With 1 minute and 45. At syempre magandang hapon. Nash Rainier Okray. Bumba na from Bem Garcia. Talagang ayaw yan. Good for 1. 59 against 61. 1 minute 40 seconds on a 40. Time to shoot. Gisrael. Sa ilalim, nabitawan. 5 to shoot. Yanan, may nagmamadali. Yanan. To assist again. Santos. Bal Madrid. Another violation. Bal Madrid. Dribble first before you walking. Drivers without license. Eksakto tatawagin nating traveling. Kahit wala kang passport, traveling pa rin yan. Sungguan. Time to shoot. A minute to play. Baines, return. Sasalaksak sa ilalim. Oh! Iba ka talaga ang batang malusog. Makikita lang yan sa Panganiban. 45 seconds. Yanan babawi sa 3. It's another short. Yes, sir! Recover by Ate. $61 against 63. 30 seconds. Padilla attacks. Jezreel. 20 seconds, 10 to shoot. Another foul by number 1, Santos. First personal foul, second team foul. Three shots ang ibibigay ng ating mga referee. 17 segundos ang natitira. Shot clock is off. Good for one against Baines, number 28. Good for two. Plus another one to complete a three-point shot by number 28 Baines.
You know.
10 seconds. Good for two. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter with a running score. Panganiban 66, Bagamanok 63.
IMBT Season 3 would like to thank the following. Grand Prize sponsor Peter Postecua. Prize sponsor Governor Patrick Azanza. Vice Governor Obed Fernandez. Congressman Leo Rodriguez. Congressman Jose Bontelvas Jr. Clarianas Poultry and Feed Supply. Clarianas Pediatric Clinic. Pebico Baby Products Shop. Councilor Alexander Alip Abundo. Sammy Laines. Catanduanes Emerald Hardware, Catanduanes Home Depot, Ocean View Subdivision, Assumpta Maternity and Medical Clinic, The Hungry Bar, Michael John Kimbao, Eugene Talaran, Angela and Lara Michelle De Leon, Japet Villagas, PDGS Clothing, Now at Gadgets and Accessory Shop, Joseph Crisan, Cafe Norte, Sweet Flow Freight Express Go, PBM Alvin Rodriguez, Jep Ereso, Courtside Bros, Yvette Annalisa Bay.
Hello, Lum. Hello.
Fourth quarter. Number 8. Double foul. And number 9. Out Bagamanok. Number 8, warning for fourth personal foul, warning for foul out. Fourth quarter. Base. Osorio, basket is good. Ano ba? Yan and again, number 24, naghahanap na kanyang mabibigyan ng bola. Okay, binilidiskarte. Throw the ball sa 3. Masyado malakas. Ang bola ay mapupunta sa panganiban. Foul committed by number 15 Cabrera. It's a holding foul.